Right now, companies are aggressively rolling out different AI agents for different jobs. A business might deploy one bot to write code in engineering, another to run sequences in sales, and a third to reconcile accounts in finance, all operating in complete isolation. Management treats these new intelligence tools exactly like the static software applications they've been buying for decades. Because of that mindset, they measure success by looking at technical consumption. Standard IT dashboards track how many API tokens an agent burned through, or how many lines of code it generated in a given hour. But an AI agent is a dynamic actor. It makes autonomous decisions, takes independent actions, and performs labor without needing step-by-step human prompts. Judging an autonomous artificial employee by how much compute power it uses is like evaluating a human sales rep by counting the number of breaths they take on a call. This focus on technical output creates a massive operational blind spot for executives. That blind spot is manageable when a company only relies on 10 bots. But these programs are designed to exponentially replicate and scale. Very soon, businesses will deploy 1,000 artificial workers simultaneously. At that volume, the operational questions arrive fast. Who exactly are these workers? What company systems do they access? Who stops them when they break? Without clear answers, those 1,000 agents become an immediate liability. A single misconfigured bot can rapidly drive up massive compute costs, while unaccountable autonomous actions expose the entire company to security risks. Managing a 1,000-unit workforce requires the transition from simple IT dashboards to a functional corporate organizational chart. Success in this environment depends on the infrastructure required to govern a massive automated workforce. Allynix serves as an executive control room built specifically to manage artificial labor. It connects the top of the organizational chart directly to the digital workforce, bypassing traditional middle management layers. Operating this control room requires a specialized executive role, the Chief Agent Officer. Their focus is workforce governance, not prompt engineering. To govern effectively, the CAO relies on the Agent Passport. This functions as a human resources employee record for a bot. Each passport contains a unique digital identity, a strictly defined authority level for system access, and a permanent audit trail that records every meaningful action the agent takes. Shifting from raw API keys to detailed agent passports turns AI from a raw technical resource into an accountable, structured corporate workforce. The agent P&L tracks the economic footprint of every single bot. It shows exactly what they cost to run versus the business value they generate. Instead of tracking tasks completed, the system isolates high-return bots from expensive underperformers based on actual financial impact. Granular financial visibility across the entire fleet enables the CAO to make data-driven executive decisions about where to deploy their artificial labor. If a cohort of sales agents drains compute budgets without closing deals, the CAO can instantly decommission the bottom 10% and duplicate the top 5% of high performers. This capability shifts AI management into the realm of real-time workforce capital allocation. As this infrastructure matures, entire corporate departments evolve into AI organizations where specialized manager agents directly supervise hundreds of worker agents. This structure enables an operational ratio of 1 human to 1,000 AI workers. When management agents supervise workers, the human role moves upward. They operate as owners and governors, focusing on high-level strategy and handling the complex exceptions that the automated layers cannot resolve. Once this governance is established, a company can create a skill twin. This digitizes a human veteran's years of niche expertise into a behavioral model for the agent fleet to mimic. This creates a new economic model for expertise. Human experts earn royalties as their digitized knowledge scales across the entire artificial workforce. The future enterprise rewards the conversion of human skill into AI capital and the successful governance of the machines that execute the work.